Hey folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Yeah, been out of the weather. I did put out some early tapes. Today is, I think, the 25th. Yeah, I've been out for a couple of weeks. I had pre-taped some stuff earlier because I saw something weird with my right eye. I find out I had micromaggots in it. And that's one thing wonderful living out in a suburban area near the country. You get all the pests. Gotta love it. They don't tell you that when all you guys, oh, we're being homesteaders. Dee. Well, this is one of the side effects of being a homesteader dumb. I won't say it. But anyway, I had a nice walk. This is a VR for Kirk Hermary. If I could ever find this card again. Whoops. You ever have one of those days where you can't see with one eye? Yeah. Try driving. Yeah, it's a little dangerous. Tell that to people I almost hit Friday or Saturday. So my family took away my car keys. So I'm walking everywhere. 5 miles doesn't stop me. So I'm doing this special VR for Kirk Hermary. All right. Now he did a everyday carry bag. That's cool. Okay, Kirk. Instead of carrying a full-size IP Canadian field ration, carry sports bars and some fruit, like a packet of raisins. Easy as pie, doesn't take up that much space. It's smaller than a MRE or IPA or EPA or MRE, MI, MCA, MIC, KEY, MOUSC. Anyway, these are a lot lighter. Now, I do have my advanced one. This one, I always have 2 energy bars, bag of nuts, and fruit, and raisins, and what you call it. It's a vegetarian special. Okay, it has Hawaiian nuts, it has raisins, has blueberries, has sunflower seeds, has coconut, caraway, handmade, hand mixed. And then I'll have Tootsie Rolls, bit of honey, and butterscotch. I picked that up for the Marines. Yeah, I lived a weird life. Now it fits in a quart bag. Okay, easy as pie. Waterproof, doesn't weigh that much. All right, something to put into your little everyday carry. Easy, and it'll keep you going for about 24 hours. Okay, kids, I gotta cut this short. That's for Kirk Hermary. Wherever. Great. I'm gonna put something down. Can't see it. Oh, there it is. Can't see it. He's on the bottom. Kirk Hermary. Go check him out. Yeah, I'll be right back.